Okay, chalo.
But anyway, meanwhile, guys, somebody's in the lobby.
Okay, I'm bringing on. Please give it up for
The main
Mr.
act.
Tanmay Bhatt, everybody.
Yeah, the headlining
the main
act.
The headlining act.
God-
Headliner.
The god of streaming, goat of streaming.
Go to Oh, dude,
Yeah.
but
The
actually,
first one from us. The
Tanmay
first one
bhai.
from the lot.
Don't worry,
Hey,
we
hey.
opened for you. We opened for you, man. Today. Can't hear you.
आवाज
Can't
नहीं आ
hear you.
रही भाई. The audio's off.
Oh,
We said all this god of streaming and Tanmay's voice is gone. This is already.
Yo,
Yo,
Hey.
that's right.
room is warm, bro.
Huh? Room is warm.
guys.
अरे समय ये क्या? ये तेरा
LPMs
background है
really
अभी?
high.
हाँ, मेरा घर है ये.
Oh,
Bro, I'm
wow,
telling you, come
dude.
to Pune, bro.
Dude,
this
it
is-
looks so
you're not
nice.
in
It
Hyderabad
looks
then?
beautiful,
Okay.
man. It looks beautiful.
Oh fuck, it looks so nice.
तू नीचे की जगह साइड में भी घास डाला.
नीचे भी रखा, साइड में भी डाला. कुछ दिख तो नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
Nice.
हाँ,
Oh, too good, too good.
Wow.
Love it.
thank you.
Dude, it's
Is
actually
it,
really
is it only me who feel, or I think Tanmay bhai has lost so much weight?
Yeah,
looks-
he has lost
is
a
it?
lot of
मैं
weight.
कितने टाइम बाद देख रहा हूँ?
15 kilos.
Wow.
Wow.
dude.
4 months. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow,
I
wow,
want to
wow.
reach. I want to reach 20 by the end of this month.
Nice.
Then officially, since 2018, all the weight I put on will be gone. So I'm excited.
What about emotional?
Those
Emotional
I carry
baggage.
for life.
Also, are you standing and streaming, Tanmay? Is
I
that
am
your new
stand-
thing now?
So the first 3 hours of the morning, I want to stand in life. So now I just come and I got a standing desk, so I can stand.
Wow.
But you know, standing burns 350 more calories a day.
Wow.
A
But how
day
many?
or an-
Like for what duration?
For 2 hours, 3 hours, if you stand, you burn 350 more calories.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I can eat a burger.
Huh.
Yeah.
So you're doing the calculations where you check on Zomato what is 350 calories, then
Yeah.
I can order right now, which
It's
I've
too
ordered.
much effort, man. That thing, you know, there's this apps and all where you intake your food, samosa, 2 pieces.
Yeah.
It's a 40 ये पूरा करने
Yeah.
में it's
Can't-
like a lot
It's
of
too much effort. इसलिए मैंने I have started fasting now, which is a new thing I'm trying, which is very simple calculation. Don't eat. There was a book, okay, Saurabh, there was a book by Dr. Jason Fung, okay, a very popular book. It's called The Obesity Code. I have never seen a more sarcastic, bitchy doctor. I'm listening to it on Audible and I'm taking a walk in the evening. And that guy's like, you know, many people say losing weight is so complicated. I'll tell you the solution. Don't eat. It's that simple. And he's just so bitchy towards obese people. He's like, you guys have a problem. You think not eating will kill you. It won't.
I think you saw Bill Burr's special, man.
Oh, he also does. Yeah.
Same.
Just don't eat, dude.
So are you doing intermittent fasting or what are you doing?
So I'm doing a combination of IF and 24 and 48 hour fasting. I've done 160-hour fast. Dude, it's not bad at all. Only, so you know, you get really hungry. Why do you get really hungry? I'm all into this shit now. I am up every fucking nutritionist asshole right now. Why do you get hungry? Your body runs out of glycogen, right? It's that moment where it craves carbs. That's the only part where it gets hungry. But if you train your body to use fat as fuel, that slowly that insulin spikes stops and slowly you just stop feeling hungry.
तो भाई मैं पोहा खाऊं कि नहीं ये बताओ मेरे को.
मत खा. तू खा सकते है. ये तेरा क्या हो गया उसका? You were also doing something.
Yeah, I've lost 3 kilos. I have to lose only 2 more.
तो क्या कर रहा
But तेरा
है?
साढ़े
पोहा
छह
खा रहा
किलो
हूँ.
था ना.
Just
Everybody
सुबह उठ के-
saying 6.5 kilos is what
Yeah.
your target was.
Yeah.
What's the
thank you.
target? What's the target?
I weighed in 103 kilos.
Huh.
ठीक है. Now I want to go to 96.5.
96.
I'm almost halfway there. So I tried intermittent fasting for until I was in Hyderabad. Then I came to Pune. I ordered KFC 3 days in a row.
Nice.
And now I'm just eating poha once in the morning, and I'm also doing the fasting thing. I'm not eating anything else.
So now you'll have dinner straight away.
No, breakfast tomorrow.
What? 24
Nice.
hours?
Yeah.
Wow.
पानी
Wow.
पीऊंगा.
Nice.
And वो जब भूख लगती है ना, बस वो टाइम के लिए, like you said, मैं तब चेस खेल लेता हूँ. तो चले जाता है वो टाइम पीरियड.
Nice.
Say nothing like losing to kill your hunger. Very nice.
Dude, one of
And
the
you
things I
fasted
realized
for
is that
60 hours?
yeah, 60 years is a lot, dude.
Yeah, that sounds like wow.
2.5 दिन के लिए मतलब.
It's not that bad. समय दूर समय fasting किया ना, it's not that bad at
It's
all.
not that bad. Yeah.
हाँ, तेरा मुंह ऐसा थोड़ा और येलो वगैरह होने लग जाता है, but that's about it.
Change
Sorry,
colors.
इतना मेरे को तारीफ करके OG of streaming में आके था मूत करने का, चर्बी से फैट निकालने का, ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I like how Nishan's feedback is it changes colors.
हाँ. इंसान का
It's
the
like
first
पूरा
basically-
violet हो गया.
Your body uses fat. Basically, body को ग्लूकोज चाहिए रहता है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
मैं थोड़ा ज्ञान देता हूँ. इंसुलिन क्या होता है मालूम है? इंसुलिन.
हाँ.
इंसुलिन चाबी होता है सेल को खोलने के लिए, उसके अंदर ग्लूकोज डालने के लिए, ठीक है. जब लेकिन ग्लूकोज रहता है नहीं है, बॉडी इज लाइक मैं क्या यूज करूँ, तो बॉडी फैट बर्न करता है. बॉडी टर्न्स फैट इनटू ग्लूकोज. आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड ग्लूकोजेनेसिस इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. तो फैट कैसे निकलता है पता है निशांत? यू नो हाउ वी लूज वेट? लिटरली बाय ब्रीदिंग एंड पिसिंग. दैट्स लिटरली हाउ बॉडी लेट्स वेट गो. या तो कीटोन्स कम आउट ऑफ योर पिस because ketones are produced when you burn down fat. So that's why piss becomes more yellow. Isliye people who are on keto, their bathrooms smell terrible.
But you can have a lot of water, no? Then during the day.
You can have a lot of water. You can drink black coffee. You can drink green tea. Yeah. You
So
can
you're
drink
doing
your own
keto
beers.
plus intermittent or the just fasting?
I'm doing intermittent, but I'm eating only. See, because I'm doing right now, I'm doing only one meal a day, which means the only meal I eat in the night is fish in butter garlic sauce. Or something
Oh,
like that,
damn.
right? So automatically my body goes into ketosis because I'm only eating one meal. That's also mostly fat and protein. So
Ah.
ये
So
नया
basically, we don't have to come to your washroom.
no, don't come. Don't come. There's also dog poop.
I mean, that's what you're saying. That's what you claim. That's the excuse that you have.
Yeah.
मेरा सुसु पीला हो गया, मेरी टट्टी कुत्ते की हो गई. This is the.
Yeah.
This is the.
समझ रहे घर पे और लोग को रहने के लिए जगह है क्या?
बहुत भाई बहुत. 5 रूम है यहाँ पे.
तो मैं सोच रहा एक वीकेंड ट्रिप मार ही लूँ क्या?
ये हुई ना बात.
हाँ.
ये हुई बात.
फिर वो करते.
Yeah.
But dude, intermittent fasting, I realized like it worked. I did it and I told my mom, and this sounds like just a cliche setup, but I told her I'm doing intermittent fasting, and my mom's feedback is, हाँ तो Tuesday Thursday को मैंने बोला था कि खाना मत खाओ. Like which is also, and I'm like it actually makes sense that we've already all cultures have figured out this. It's just that we have different names for all of it now. Where it's like Tuesday, Thursday fasting was a concept. Like even whatever religion you follow, the reason is to clean out your system for whatever 15 to 45 days, whatever it is.
Yeah. So this is also in that book. He talks about this only, saying all religions propose it. Basically, people assume that fasting is bad because because saying don't eat just feels wrong, right? Like how can you say that? So, but every religion has it, and one of the other reasons why people also have it is because of something called autophagy, right? ऑटोफेजी का मतलब समझना. ऑटोफेजी बेसिकली जब पार्टी हो रहा होता है घर पे, तभी तुम साफ करना शुरू करते हो क्या गंद? नहीं ना. You wait for whole party to get over, you sleep that night, you wake up and then you clean. Similarly, your body has a lot of dead cells, unused stuff, a lot of stuff in the body that needs to be cleansed. But because we're constantly eating, right? We never take a 16 to 18 hour break. There's no time to clean that up. So after 16 to 18 hours, your body goes into a mode of autophagy where it cleans older stuff. So 3-4 days into, like if you go 3 days into fasting, like you start feeling a lot more energetic and everything starts functioning a lot better. Anyway, I'm waiting for my doctor's degree now.
Nice, man. People have already started saying Dr. Tanmay Bhatt in the chat. So this has already happened. You've been verified by the YouTube chat community already.
I'm just happy कि मैंने ये सबसे पहले चाय खत्म कर लिया, वरना अब तो नहीं पी पाता. Like I can't fast for some reason. I'm not good at.
Dude, it's very
easy. I can work out for hours. I cannot fast.
Yeah, that's another thing, man. Workout is such a drag. I mean, I want, like, Tanmay, are you working out also?
Yeah.
I want to lose weight without the effort. नहीं खाएंगे ठीक है, एक जगह बैठे रहेंगे दिन भर.
Fasting is a good
weight भी उठाऊं.
Yeah.
So, like, why are you working out then?
Because I've been working out every day for last 4 months. So the day feels incomplete without it.
Like it's completely fine if I don't work out, right? Because I tried running and all, it's too lame.
It's completely fine.
Fine, right? Yeah, घर पे बैठा
Samay, you made chess popular. There are no rules for you. You can do whatever you want. Sab chal jayega.
But do weight training, man. Like I've got 4 different kinds of weights in my house, and just do the weight training is great. It also makes you wake up in the morning. Like I had 2 things which helped me lose like 14 kilos. One was intermittent fasting. I started doing intermittent fasting, and the second thing was I told myself that even if you work out for 20 minutes in a day, that's good. It doesn't matter. You don't have to fucking aim for कि मैं 1.5 घंटा करेगा. And one of the things that people do now is when they're working out is that you do a set and then you wait. Right. I went through physiotherapy because I had some massive injuries, and the guy told me, he's like, dude, you can't run as much because of broken hips and all that shit. So you need to make your workout seem like it's a cardio. So you need to do biceps, then usually not abs with biceps, but you do like full.
Supersets.
तो 20 मिनट में तुम अपने आप को हाँ supersets. So you can finish off in 20 minutes all of it.
Circuit training, that sort of
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
So what we are trying
It
to say
looks
is
very funny.
तन्मय भाई को सब पता है.
मैं बहुत ये ब्रेक में यही तो किया मैं सिर्फ लेक्चर और बुक पढ़ा.
मुझे पता ही नहीं सुपर सेट क्या होता है इतने टाइम से एक्सरसाइज.
Dude, it's very funny. Nishant bhai, imagine me, even my trainer makes me do this. Imagine me, but with like smaller dumbbells, but doing a lot of reps, right? Because you have to do a lot because it feels like cardio also. Anyway, उससे
पर ये इतना चेंज होता रहता है. मेरे को न्यूट्रिशन
you have a treadmill at home.
Yeah.
Dude, that is the ideal thing for doing what is it called?
high intensity
कपड़े सुखाने
interval
के लिए.
training.
कपड़े सुखाने के लिए और you do 5 minutes you do 15 minutes on the treadmill, then you do a set, then you go back on the treadmill for 2 minutes, do a set, do this. Dude, fucking do it. It's the greatest crazy workout you can
I do 15 minutes, 3 minutes break, 15 minutes, 3 minutes break, 15 minutes. Chill.
But break nahi, you have to do workout. You have to do weights in the middle.
He's like, Nishant is like, मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. I can't hear. Some internet issue.
Also, I guess in your case you are all old, right? So you require more, you have more at stake. You know, diseases and all of that.
Yes.
At my age, I think I can still do.
Which is ironically fucking true, man. It is, like, yeah, it matters, man. Now, like,
Yeah,
once
that's why
you
you are
cross
so
30,
into
yeah,
fitness.
like, yeah, you can afford to, yeah, sit and, yeah.
I'm like, ठीक है तन्मय तब किया ना हम भी तब कर लेंगे फिर. I have a lot of time.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
You know, when I was your age, I had the same attitude.
So keep this advice
And then
30
see how
plus.
my life went.
Listen, I had this attitude when I was Nishant's age, then I was Tanmay's age, and when I was Namay's age. I was all your ages. Am I the oldest? Or Nishant, how old are you?
Yeah, you're older than me, man.
Oh, fucking bastard.
But Saurav's very healthy, man.
Yeah,
Who's
you've
like-
been always healthy.
Yeah, Saurav's very healthy. Who's like a muscular comedian, man? Like
Let's see.
Daniel, I know is
Daniel, Kenny
Daniel, I
used to
know.
be.
Kenny
at one
still
point,
is.
Kanan used to be. I don't know anymore.
Karan used to have a six-pack and shit.
Oh, we've seen that picture. You
Yeah,
remember?
yeah,
You remember that
I
picture?
have.
Oh my god. Yeah, proper
Karan's
six-pack abs.
crazy.
Yeah.
Karan, literally, I remember Karan telling us, so he's saying, उसने एक दिन बस उठा and he was like, मेरे को six-pack चाहिए.
हाँ.
From that day onwards, he just did everything he needed to get a six-pack. Then he got the six-pack, then he's like, मजा नहीं आ रहा. Karan's crazy.
Yeah, okay. I have jokes about, yeah. Oh, Netflix kappa, fucking bastard. I know you.
Oh.
I know you did an endorsement for them. You'd have to rub it in my face.
This is what I have coffee and sorry about
Anybody from Amazon watching this, guys? I don't have Amazon Cup. Just saying.
that.
Okay, I'll read a few more super chats that have come in. Devansh Jaju, thanks a lot. Rider OP, Samay OP, Saurabh OP, Provider OP. Vivek Behra, thanks a lot. Hina Tangdi, thanks a lot. Shriyansh Srivastav, ₹1 for each episode. This is a good trend to have. Big Fat Panda says, great work, Saurabh, for 100 episodes. And he's given ₹10 per episode. This is great. My favorite still remains the Delhi takeover with Vipul, Zakir, Bassi, and friends. Yeah, that was a really ridiculous one. Vivek Behra, thanks for 100 episodes. Best I watched is Baman Irani and Anupam Kher. Yeah, it was very interesting, both those. Devansh Jaju, Saurabh bhai, tum bahut acha kaam karta hai. Dhanyawad, dost. Thank you so much. Yash Rawani says, super book, Saurabh. Loved your episodes and would love to watch in the future. One question to Nishant, that is that Jagrata gang going to play Among Us or not?
I hopefully someday all of them are here. Like Tanmay bhai is here, Samay is here. And
We can start now. I think reaction video किसने बोला, me and Nishan bhai are going to record one just after this.
day before yesterday. Okay, this is hilarious. You want to share that?
No, you tell.
क्या-
Before-
Get a room, guys.
Oh yeah, let's go to Pune.
Get a stream, please.
I've heard somebody has a 5 BHK in Pune. Lot of rooms.
Yeah,
so
please go ahead.
Day before
It's a love
yesterday, we
story.
were planning. So we've been planning to do a reaction stream since last 4-5 days. Day before yesterday, we planned कि अच्छा रात को करते हैं 10 बजे. Done. 10:30 बजे. So 10:30 बजे क्योंकि I just told ना 10:30 बजे मैं बेड में, तो मैं ऐसे अपने आप को पुश करके ऐसे चाय वाय पी के तैयार है कि रिएक्शन स्ट्रीम बहुत टाइम बाद ये वो. 10:45 तक no Zoom link nothing. 10:45 तन्मय भाई calls directly and he's like यार बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है. And I burst out laughing. I'm like मेरा भी.
Then we skipped it.
Yeah, like दिन का ही रखते हैं, रात वाला नहीं करता. I'm like yeah, let's do दिन में करते हैं.
Saurabh, has any guest messaged you and said, I want to come back?
Yeah, lots of them, man. I've one person who it's a really fun interaction I had with Raju Srivastava. Okay, so I got done with the episode, And I'm like, and he's like, वापस भी करते हैं. I'm like, हाँ सर, मैं तो तैयार हूँ. He's like, नहीं, थोड़ा रुकते हैं, नहीं तो लोग सोचेंगे कि इसके पास कोई और काम नहीं है.
So honest, so honest.
And I was like, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've had a lot of people. I was so Veer Sanghvi is coming back today. A lot of the cricket guests keep wanting to come back. But yeah, I mean, it's not. I mean, listen. I know that the implication here is that nobody wants to come back. But they do. I'm trying to prove that they have wanted to come back.
Before you joined, Tanmay bhai, we discussed. I've been here 5 times. This is my 6th time.
Yeah, this is
Oh
just-
yeah, even I've been here like 2-3 times now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your 4th. Yeah.
Yeah, but comics are different. Like comics are like, oh, comic. You message, you're like, okay, cool, I'll be there.
No, I have been here even without message. I have seen.
ये समय की स्ट्रीम की लत लग गई है. एक टाइम था जहाँ पे समय का एक जूम लिंक पूरे कॉमेडी इंडस्ट्री को जाता था. उस समय का स्ट्रीम चालू होता था. जो क्लिक करेगा वो आ गया भाई.
वो आ गया भाई अंदर.
I think that's what we had with that WhatsApp group, na? That Among Us group, remember?
Yeah.
Just one Zoom link.
Which
and
one? Which Among Us group? Nishan?
Nishan?
Which one of the
Was
10,000 Among Us
it
groups?
23 or 24 group?
Yeah, each Among Us group had its own code.
Yeah.
By the way, I've had a guest reply to me saying I want to come back, and that guest is Samay Raina. Thanks a lot, Samay. I appreciate your WhatsApp. I will check my schedule and revert back. But by the way, if you're watching the stream, please like and share and subscribe and do all those nice human things that everybody does. Subhra Joy Datta says, Saurabh, not activities. I'm a big fan of your conversations. There was a guy Tanmay who came earlier. It's like, ये वो लोग बस बात करेंगे कि कुछ activities भी करेंगे. That's the best
by
Samay
any chance,
conversation.
Tanmay bhai, would you know that how many calories one burns if you just talk for an hour?
So
Sitting also.
1 by 24, your basic metabolism.
How much is
Nice
that,
one,
man?
man.
That
Nice
helps.
one,
1 by
man.
24. It really helps.
Yeah, what-
Your basic metabolism depends on how much muscle you have, how much you eat and everything. अपना बॉडी बहुत फैसिनेटिंग है. मैं पुनः आके तेरे को समझाता हूँ अलग से.
मसल किसको बोलते हैं? सिर्फ मांस को बोलते हैं या जो ऐसा वो डोला निकलता है उसको बोलते हैं?
भाई क्या हो गया भाई निशान भाई? call flying beast please.
हाँ, I think yeah, इसके लिए तो गौरव भाई को.
So according to Google, a young man of 18 years and 150 pounds, which is like whatever 68 kilos, will burn 57 calories per hour of talking, while an older gentleman of 80 years of the same height will burn 43 calories. So basically between 43 and 57. This is your answer.
नहीं पर older gentleman का कितना है?
43.
हाँ तो निशांत yours is 43.
80.
Hey, but so okay, Tanmay and Nishant, why did you guys stop streaming? What is the stress? Like, was it just too much, or because I think you guys also did too much in like a span of like the period that you guys were doing? You were doing every fucking hour that you were streaming.
Not every hour. That's Samay. Samay streams the most.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I'm on a break. In fact, I realized everybody's on a break suddenly at once. Everybody.
No, I'm back.
You're back?
I've started uploading again. I'll stream. I think tonight or tomorrow I'll stream. अभी ब्रेक मत ले कुत्ते. अब मैं वापस आ गया. सब लोग गायब हो जाएगा.
अभी आएगा
stream नहीं करेगा मैं अभी. I took
अभी
a
तो PUBG भी वापस आ रहा है.
PUBG वापस आ रहा है. We have to start that again.
आ गया ना? आ गया, I think.
बढ़िया तन्मय you were saying.
नहीं, I took a break because हो गया. एक साल बहुत किया यार. Just needed a break. I also realized that I said I'll take a break and do nothing, but a break is just light work. Right? Like it's not an entire break. Like Samay's break was brand work.
Brand work.
Yeah. So guys, मैं थोड़ा पैसा कमा के आ रहा हूँ. Mine was similar.
Grass
Guys.
लगाना था ना यार घर पे.
Anyway, guys, please log on to MPL and play
MPL?
chess.
Oh, हाँ.
So okay, this is another point. What is wrong with doing brand work? You know, the chat gives
There is
you shit
nothing
for
wrong.
it. Chat
There's
gives you
nothing
shit
wrong.
for it. You know, every post you do, chat is just in the comments like, you know, हाँ ये और तू ये कर ले, हम Dream 11 पे team बना लेते हैं. I understand how the business works.
Yeah, but
Dude, I realize that I feel no shame about brand work, like generally, because I have to pay bills. But also, recently, I saw an ad featuring Karunesh Talwar. And I'm like, now everything's acceptable.
yeah.
This is like,
Which ad is this? Which ad is this? Last I saw was
Li-
Akash Mehta driving a Skoda.
No, Licious was Karunesh's ad.
Oh, I
Karan was doing stand up also in something I remember.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
See, lockdown has changed people for the, become
Yeah.
more open-minded. Everybody
Yeah.
has become more open-minded now.
Saurabh, I didn't know Taiwan was so excellent, dude, for so long.
Dude, I mean, who knew? Yeah.
Thanks to you, I know Taiwan is excellent.
You
Thanks
know a
a
very
lot.
funny story, Saurabh. Taiwan guys actually reached out to me also.
And you said no, and I got
No,
it.
no,
Yes.
no. I pitched them my idea. I gave them a beautiful idea with chess and all. Like, fuck this shit. Like, Saurabh Pant ke paas jate hain.
Yeah. You know what's a very funny story? The Taiwan guys came to me also. I didn't know how excellent they were actually. No.
Like on a scale of 100. By the way, you know for a fact that this clip, this 30-second clip will show up on Instagram. You know
Yes.
it's going to happen. Mentions Taiwan Excellence. It's great. By the way, Taiwan Excellence is getting Yuzvendra Chahal. So I just want to say that Samay, I don't need your contacts. I have. Okay. I'll just read 2 super chats and then I have a bunch of questions for you guys. By the way, if you have any questions for our guests, please feel free to ask. I will try and answer them. Try and get them answered. Arjun Sopthi says, your show and slow interview with Nilesh Mishra helped me survive lockdown. What's slow interview with Sanjay Mishra? Best episode. I will check it out. Sanjay Mishra is awesome.
Oh, your thing is called slow interview.
No, uska, Nilesh Mishra is his
That's
called
Nilesh
slow
Mishra's thing, yeah.
which is literally the opposite of the show. Like in pace and everything. Like it's like very laid back. Sai Madiraju says, stayed back late in the night to be able to watch and more importantly, send a super chat to show my appreciation. $20 diya. Dhanyavad, Sai. You're a great man. You took the series to the next level. Great stuff, Ganja bhai. Dhanyavad, dost. Also,
Guys,
thanks
कुछ
to
पैसे सेव
Ayushi.
करो, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ स्ट्रीमिंग करने को.
नहीं रहने दो सब यही निकाल दो अपना पैसा. See, a month. Oh, dude, now I realize that this is the start of the month. Do you guys? That makes sense, right? That
Good
entire
spot.
theory that somebody
Yes.
first told me that you if you do shows in the first few weeks of the month, the sales are 15% higher because people have money.
Yeah.
Do you think that's
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
certain that's true. I'm sure there's data across the board to suggest that.
Wow.
It only makes sense, no?
Yeah.
Hey,
Now
by
I
the way,
feel
who-
bad
Huh.
doing shows towards the end of the month.
Huh?
Now I
Maybe.
feel a little bad for doing shows
Doing
towards the end
shows.
of the month. कि अच्छा,
Ab-
some people can't just because.
It's not
Saurabh-
much though. Like,
समय तू कर रहा है ना shows पुणे में? पुणे
Pune 16 to 26, yes.
कितने लोग हैं एक रूम में? कितने लोग आ सकते?
50.
अच्छा.
50 after COVID का वो.
हाँ,
जो है.
regulations.
Otherwise, it would have been 80 or something like that.
तू अपना खुद का माइक ले जा रहा है क्या?
Good idea. नहीं अरे ये सब नहीं करना. But I'll get a sanitizer. In fact, I was hoping to get COVID in the first 5 days I was in Pune. I was like, अगर हो गया, that's the best vaccine. No, then I won't get it again. But then नहीं हुआ.
I don't think you know what a vaccine is. I don't think you know how COVID works. I don't think you know how antibodies work.
Bro, but
There are-
it's like once you have COVID, you're immune to COVID again. No?
समय तू पोहा खाया. तू पोहा. Chill कर.
I'm just curious to know what did you try to get COVID for those 4
I
or 5
just
days?
hugged my roommate.
That's not how COVID. That's how.
My God.
He came from Nashik, man.
That's something.
So मैं chat में COB3 award ceremony लोग बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ,
yeah.
काफी लोग पूछ रहे हैं इसके बारे में.
Yeah, I have to make a video about it. I have already.
Hey, but I have
declared the
a
price.
small just buy your own mic, dude. Like I was discussing and I was also doing some research on this. In the US, what happened was that when the comedy scenes exploded, a lot of comedians started doing this thing, and 35 comedians got infected because
damn.
a lot of them were like, "हम meet and greet भी करेंगे."
Oh, that's weird.
And also the mic, because if you notice with the mic, like people like me spit a lot. Right, like, and so you carry your own mic, you just change it. It takes like 2 seconds. Azim told me this, and I'm like, this is a great idea.
So everybody needs to have a same mic or that slot with the.
No, you get
Carrier.
your own mic, and so before you're about to. So right now, what they're doing in Habitat also is that they have a set of 4 mics there.
Wow.
Four separate people. So जब सपन की turn आती है, वो अपना mic उठा के करता है, and then
Just
that'll
3
be-
other mics are there only.
Yeah.
Like, just,
Yeah.
oh.
It would be hilarious also, to get your own mic. You're welcome, Samay, and Samay comes with his own mic, one sec, puts it. It'll be hilarious, I think, for the audience also.
just as a bit, it's funny still. So there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But mic gags, I used to do a lot anyway. Like my gags is one is in the comedy store, Saurabh, you remember they used to have the smooth mics, right? Like you just press something, it would go.
Dude, yeah.
Those were really nice. So we would do, if like Neeti was coming on, I would take the mic really high. Otherwise, if someone else is coming, like when Khamba was coming on, I'd make the mic really low. Because as soon as they walk on, it's just a ready gag. It's like a gag that's just there.
And then the response of each comedian was always like,
Huh? What the fuck just happened?
Anuva Palu used to leave the mic on the floor.
Yeah.
Just keep it.
because he's so old he can't pick it up. No, the problem is that. But yeah, a lot of people are asking about COB3 ceremony.
Yeah. So COB3 ceremony happening soon. It'll be a video that I'll post. I've already asked people to send me their videos with the prize.
So nominations हो रहे हैं क्या? Like, how is it going?
So nominations happened on Discord, and we have some of the prizes are easy to understand. Right? Most number of blunders, highest accuracy, best move. So all these data that we have. Some are debatable, like the best design and all. Just के लिए we're doing something on Discord.
So here's a question to you. Who do you think, okay, with like, I remember when Chehal came on, I think was it on Tanmay or wherever, where he said that अगर मुझे chess player बनना था तो 12 घंटे के लिए ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ती थी. So that's why I switched to cricket, because it's a lot of work. Who do you think genuinely amongst all the comedians has a outside chance of becoming an IM? I'm not even saying GM. I'm saying IM, which is still a crazy thing. But
Joel, but he does not have the discipline.
Acha.
So
he's also the youngest, no?
Yeah.
Younger than you also.
He's like a couple of months. He just wanted to rub it in his Tanmay that I am not the youngest. That's it.
No.
It's just a couple of its parents only had sex little bit. No, not big deal.
But otherwise, honestly, sir, nobody.
Nobody.
Let's be honest.
Yeah, it's true. It's like saying like my friend who's really funny, he has the chance to be like,
No,
yeah,
still even more.
I mean, don't you have to train since you're a child? Like,
yeah. You know, it's very interesting. Like, who was telling me? I think Saurav Ghosh was telling me that he was, I think, 11 and he had gone for this thing, and they said, "No, you're too old now." Like, what the fuck? When do I start? They're like, now it's like if you're 6, 7, you're already old. You have to start at 4. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's like worse than engineering at this point.
Yeah, to give such a commitment, like itna bada investment, and then only I think the top 5-6 people get paid like real money.
But that's how I think
they do the other stuff on the side also, na? पढ़ाई भी चालू है उनकी ऐसे.
No, usually what happens is big companies hire them, like oil companies, railway companies, and then they pay them a stipend. They don't have to show up to work, but they still have like a regular money coming in, you know, like that.
like a salary every month. Okay. That's how I think in China people used to get trained for
No wonder Samay they used to
Olympics.
hate you when you started, man. Like, ये क्या है? मेरे को salary मिल रहा है, ये क्या बकचोदी चल रही है यहाँ पे?
Dude, so it's so weird, and this is something that I have to mention in every episode. I was reading Akash Chopra's book, okay, which is I've mentioned 15,000 times. So in that, these guys won the Ranji Trophy, okay, Rajasthan, and he's like, some players were just excited because they got a promotion at work. So all these oil companies, if you win the Ranji Trophy or if you win a tournament, the chances of you getting a promotion are higher. And I'm like, that's what it's based on, all this Excel. So I'm assuming it's the same with chess players also.
Maybe. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, it's like now though everyone's earning good money. So many brands are coming in. Shout out to Graphy.
Yeah.
And that's how Vishwanathan Anand became CEO of Oppo. It's one of the least known stories. Okay, I'll do 3 more chats. By the way, big super chat has come in $49.50. Wow. Hiren S. Good job, Saurabh, logging in at 11 p.m. from SFO, which I'm assuming is San Francisco, to congratulate you. Keep it up. Dude, thanks a lot, man. $50. Very nice. Very kind of you. You're a great man. God will bless you with whatever you need in life. And thanks to Ayushi Srivastav as well. And Vihari Gadi Kopula. Samay bhai ka merch kharid lo. Red Wolf OP.
Oh, yes. My merch is out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, kabhi?
क्या है मतलब I had planned, no, something will come, I'll just show it off. So it's merch is out. Vihari Gadi Kopula, love you.
क्या है क्या उसमें? लिखा क्या है उसमें?
This is just Pornhub, PAWN. And then there is a Goda, a respectable animal. So it's a respectable Goda. It's a shape of a knight, but with a thing. And there's this. There's so many. You can check it out, guys. Yeah, somebody spam the link in description, in the chat, please. Thank you.
Please कर लो.
कभी release कब किया पर? I saw the.
2-3 दिन हो गए.
Oh, सही. मेरा वाला कौन सा था? मैंने एक बुक करा के रखा था, याद है ना? एक हुडी भेज रहा है तू?
Yeah. हुडी आएगी अभी. But that makes me ask you guys, Tanmay and Ryder, when is merch coming?
I'm on it. I
You
want to.
were on it since so long, man.
That's true.
You're a lazy guy. That's it.
That's true. Karega bhi karega. I'm working
I'm
on it.
surprised Tanmay and Nishant don't have merch already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a rider provider shirt waiting to be printed.
Yeah.
The thing is, I've done this merch game before, right?
Oh, I
I've-
forgot. Oh, sorry,
I've
sorry.
done, yeah. I've
have-
done this. I've seen.
haven't. I
समय वो
haven't.
full audience with merch sitting in show वो सब experience हो गया.
Yeah, I sometimes forget, you know.
Yeah. तो वो experience उतना ये नहीं है. To be, you'll also get over it after a point.
Yeah, I hope not in the same way.
I am gonna make sure it is. Anyway,
Dude, can I tell you about my merch game? So I once came upon this idea for a T-shirt which says "Apna time chala gaya," right? And I'm
That's
like, this is
funny.
a fun idea. It's a really fun idea. But I did it 1.5 years after the movie was released. So people were like, we don't give a fuck. So OML is like, bhai, 100 T-shirt आराम से बिकेगा. I'm like, हाँ मस्त है, बेचते जाके. And we sold a total number of 11 T-shirts online and 89 at my shows at cost price. So I was like, I don't think this is profitable for me right now.
That's like audience telling you ये merch का time भी चला गया.
yeah.
Yeah.
Little late.
Yeah, the merch is one of those few like it's like it just feels cool.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, मैंने 10 बार स्ट्रीम पे कुछ बोला अब वो टी-शर्ट पे आ गया और लोग वो टी-शर्ट पहन के घूम रहे हैं.
Yeah, it's not even like there's not much profit in merch rather than what I मतलब मेरे को तो ऐसा मजा आएगा कि मैं रास्ते पे चलो और किसी को मैंने देख लिया in the same in my merch.
Correct.
I would feel very
Correct.
happy about it. कि, you know,
Yeah.
somebody I know, he knows me.
No,
or
but that's the
something like
purpose of merch, right? Like it's an identity based based thing, which is I'm willing to spend $500 just to identify with this community or
Yeah.
this thing, you know. So that's the thing.
It's like membership.
that. No,
Yeah.
it's
India में
membership,
किसी ने
nobody knows, no, like रास्ते पे
Correct,
थोड़ी ना
correct.
ऐसे membership
You're not
लगा के
wearing
नहीं
it.
चलता ना. When you are on the street, you see a guy wearing, let's say, you know, AIB shirt, then you're like, okay, this guy. Or वहाँ मोदी जी वाला shirt, you're like, okay, I know this guy.
Yeah.
I know some थोड़ा सा
you
मेरे
know
को इसके बारे
something
में
about this person. Yeah. you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हम लोग इंडिया में किसी ने टी-शर्ट और बेसिक वैसा फोन का पॉपअप हैंडल फोन पे जो होता है उसके सिवाय किसी ने कुछ क्रेजी नहीं किया ना. Like David Dobrik just launched perfume. Like ऐसे यहाँ पे ऐसा राइडर परफ्यूम प्रोवाइडर परफ्यूम कोई नहीं लेने वाला लाइफ में. I'm assuming.
I am, however, creating a game.
यहाँ पे अमिताभ बच्चन
A
का
game?
परफ्यूम नहीं चला उतना.
You're reinventing chess.
Hello. Oh,
हाँ.
no. I'm inventing a game. It's a card game.
हाँ.
So I that's what I'm trying to. I'm hoping कि वहाँ पे I do something different. It has not happened before, but I will try
Yeah.
to make it as big as possible.
That'll be
Dude,
fun.
Veer, I remember he was doing that show called Abroad Understanding. And I think at the end of the show, one of the things he was selling was passport holders and all that kind of stuff, which ties into travel or whatever.
The show.
Oh.
And I'm like, that's kind of interesting. And he's like, because we did it immediately after, so people walking out who enjoyed the show are like, whatever. And so, but I think now that we're streaming, so Tanmay, this is the question to you. Before you started streaming, right? And I know that you are the kind of person who does a stupid amount of research before you do anything and all that kind of stuff. What is your, did you have any, like three of us were talking about the fact that we thought that streaming is bullshit because we are comedians and we are above all of this shit and go fuck yourself. We are talent. Did you have that, or were you coming in from a different perspective when you started?
No, but I was never that. I was never very. I'm a comedian, so I am X worth, and I won't do anything beneath me. Like, एक तो नाम में बकचोद डाल दिया था हमने. हम लोग कुछ भी करता रहा. Live stand up ने हम podcast live करेगा. Like, so I was never that, and I've always felt that the comedy scene, there is a certain status in aping the Western world, right? Like the Western comedy scene. Like, oh, they do specials. That's why specials are important to us. Oh, they do X, so X is important to us. So that's why I've never had that problem. I just started streaming because logically speaking, we went from YouTube, which is people creating canned content, writing it, to then stories. By the way, have you seen stories are everywhere now? Like fucking LinkedIn has stories.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We went from creating canned content to highlights of your day, which is micro content, just show the world what your highlight of the day was. So logically, the next step was I will give you content while it's happening, which is streaming. So my thesis was this is the next 10 years. So let's try it. Also, most importantly, I was depressed and addicted to watching streams. So I was like, this, it just makes sense. There must be millions who will feel the same thing. Imagine watching Mahabharat, right? And imagine sending super chat to Yudhishthir. and he replies back immediately via the TV. Like that's the high that you get in streaming, right? It's bi-directional interactivity. So ये सब reverse बकचोदी है ये, but the core feeling was that ये अगला 10 साल चलेगा. That's why I just ended up doing it. मैं क्या है यार 10-12 लोग. It's like Samay also started with such low stakes, right? Like there's nothing to lose.
Nothing to lose.
Yeah. I was just telling someone, it's like advertising. I was telling someone yesterday saying when people make ads, it's like throwing a dart on a dartboard. Every time you get a bullseye, you get another dart. This time it's a slightly more expensive dart. But if you don't hit, nobody sees the darts on the floor. Nobody sees those. So there is no penalty for being bad at advertising. Do you know anyone who has made bad ads? No, you don't. You just don't. You just don't remember bad ads. That's the thing.
Listen, 4 of us are here. And we've done brand work. A lot of it is
Horrible. मेरे को पूरे गंदे वाले याद आ रहे हैं. यार तन्मय क्या कह रहा है मेरे अभी आगा परसों यार MPL में.
No, but that's the thing. किसी को मालूम ही नहीं है ना तू हगा. अभी लोग तूने बोल दिया करके जाके देखेगा वो लोग. But trying something new is like that. Like if it fails, nobody sees it, so there's nothing at stake there. That was the point I was trying to make.
Yeah, honestly, like I've always looked up to Tanmay's advice and everything. Matlab, that's why when he had advised me to start streaming, he was so right. He was saying, dude, the next 1 year at least, only this is going to happen. Get yourself a setup, get this, get that. And I was like, okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm getting into, but if he's saying it, he must be right. And I just got it, and he was just right.
And it almost didn't happen, Samay. I was trying to make a vlog of gifting Samay a laptop and a setup. Okay? Yeah. But the brand which was supposed to send it was just delaying it for far too long. So I'm telling Samay, no, ye dusra laptop is much better. You know, I'm speaking to the guys, etc., etc. Then Samay was like, "Hat banchod, main khareed raha hai." Not gonna happen.
But बहुत मेरे को ऐसे I have become very very sentimental when that day I found out that Tanmay was trying to actually gift me a PC. That's why he was telling me, don't get this laptop, it's not good, don't get me. I was like, अरे यार, I have to get one now, I have to start streaming.
अच्छा व्लॉग निकलता रहा. Anyway, मैं पुना के कुछ देगा उससे रिएक्ट करना बराबर से.
So this is a weird. So the darts on the floor is an interesting analogy, analogy.
Yes.
Which is that what are your darts on the floor as comedians where you've tried something and like Nishant, like I'm sure you have, right? And because we've been doing stand up for like 63 years, like me. So what are the darts? Because I'm trying to think back on like even this show, right? The show started as me just deciding that I'm going to do a daily show where I'm just talking to the audience. I don't care how it goes. I did 15 back-to-back episodes.
What are some experiments that failed, essentially?
Yeah, what are the experiments that failed? Either during the lockdown, even prior, where you're like, and it's so interesting about the fun element, right? If you're having fun doing it, or if you're coming in with like, this is going to be big and it's not, then it's probably not going to.
I'll just connect my laptop to charge.
So it's hilarious because right now that experience has got nothing to do with me being a comic. Right now, what I'm doing since last 2 weeks, which I was supposed to do, the reason I moved to Delhi for a couple of months was to sell off some of the property I'd invested in, like back then, which is right now it doesn't, the market is not doing so good. So that's what I've been up to now, trying to sell off and stuff. And yeah, I'm like, मैं क्या सोच के कि मैं इतना भागा दौड़ी 5 साल पहले 6 साल पहले क्या सोच के सोचा था कि at this age I would enjoy this running around. It's not like selling shares and just sitting in the comfort of your home and the click you're getting rid of whatever you want to. This is meeting property dealers, and I have changed in those 5-6 years. I don't want to do this. I don't enjoy this anymore. I getting out every day trying to figure out things and all of that. So I'm like, yeah, for me. Yeah.
See, this is what happened during the lockdown. Comedians अपना घर बेच रहे हैं. Like this is how. That's why Nishant has got this virtual backdrop.
Yeah, I don't have a home, guys. I live by the beach. Yeah.
नहीं तो हाँ, you're selling property, but yeah, how is selling property during the lockdown, dude?
Yeah, it's not great because the investment didn't turn out for some the way you expected it to be. Because of the lockdown, the market's down, but also because I'm planning to buy something else in Bombay, so I want to, do that exchange right now. If it's not great here, it's not great there as well. So that sort of works out. But वही है और बाकी तो I wanted to spend what we were talking to Tanmay about the streaming thing. it's hilarious. I cannot get over that conversation. We were recording for, I think, Honestly ka channel ka first, second video about investments and all. And once the podcast was done, I was just literally just, I was asking what you're up to these days. And he's like, I'm streaming. I've got the server at home. I'm doing this and that. And I'm like, this is before Corona, okay? And मेरे दिमाग में चला startup क्या सही चीज है, I'm just fucking enjoying. हफ्ते में 4 दिन इधर उधर ये वो shows and live audience. हम like भाई क्या करता रहता पता नहीं. Cut to
Yeah.
6 months later. Everybody's doing it. So, yeah.
I think being funny is a superpower, right? And stand-up is one way of channeling it.
Channeling,
Stand-up is it's a craft, right? It's like writing a movie. It's like you sit down and you keep honing and you keep honing and you keep honing. And I think I think open mics are that feedback loop. But being funny is a superpower that if you extend that to other fields, you are naturally so much better than the current existing thing, right? Like I think there's a tweet sort of by Naval. Naval had the tweet is escape competition through authenticity using specific knowledge, right? Like Samay is a fantastic example of it. When else could you combine comedy with chess and streaming? These are all, by the way, specific knowledge that Samay has. No other person exists with this combination. So every person can escape competition by being truly authentic to themselves, right? Like I think you are very good at holding conversations. So you were the first person to latch on to this. All right, I'm going to have a chat show also. I'm just giving an example of people can use what their most authentic self is and combine it with everything else to create a new cocktail of things. You look at any insanely successful person, there's always stuff that is so unique to them that they combine with other skills that other people use. So I think that is something that people don't think of. Like you'll see graphic designers, for example, right? Every graphic designer has their own style and then they combine. Like this one guy I know, he makes Simpsons very well, right? So he started an Instagram page. The whole Instagram page is just real life people in Simpsons. So real life celebrity in Simpsons, that's it. And it has 300,000 people because it just has one specific skill that he then merged with, I can make an Instagram page, etc., etc. So this, I think most people don't understand. My thesis was comedy and gaming doesn't exist. I think I can do this because I think this is specific to me. Like that, I think people should find what is their thing and then see how they can take it.
Now that I think of it, like looking back, I think it fits because when I did not have this perspective, now that you gave it to me, I'm like, yeah, it makes sense. In my case, it was just that, okay, I'll know chess. I like playing chess. Might as well stream chess.
Correct.
That is the essence of what you're saying. Basically to focus on your strengths rather than to emulate that things that's already happening. Correct. And just try to be that. Because then you'll just be an emulation and maybe not exactly there, even
Correct.
below that.
Correct.
So rather do something that you know, and then even if you're something, you are unique.
Correct. And these ideas, they come when you're not thinking about other people. They come when you're only thinking about what you will do, right? I've spent years thinking about competition and what other people are doing and how can we do that, etc., etc. But my best ideas have come when I have sit down and be like, how can I do what I feel like doing?
Lockdown has really made me this person that you're talking about, because earlier when I was out there every day grinding in the mics, I used to see somebody with a joke and I wish I had that joke, and and then that competition, I have to kill more than this guy. Now I'm at home sitting to myself and I'm like, fuck it, bhai,
and see the results, dude.
Yeah, I'm so happy, most importantly happy that I am happy being here, being in this space where I don't give a shit. And now I think I have become this person who doesn't care about competition anymore.
Yeah, because there's too many members waiting on Discord to think about that stuff. I have to do this now. But overclocking your calendar also really helps. Like Samay is so entrepreneurial, he just does so much that you don't have time to think about other people also.
I think I should just become property dealer in that case.
No, but listen, there is that also, right? Even doing this shit on the side is a lot, right? Like if your day is packed, like if your day is not packed, I mean, not all the time, but if your day is not packed, then pack it.
Yes.
You can figure out shit to do. Like this, I mean, and packing it doesn't mean that you're just fucking doing work all the time. It could also be like fucking 2 ghante ke liye main workout karunga. Or it's like I'm taking out 2 hours and like I'm still struggling with time management, which is why this show is always late. Because even though I do 11 o'clock, I hate the 11 o'clock timing because I'm always late by 6 minutes. If it was 11:30, I'd always be on time somehow because I wake up around.
What is it with you streaming in the morning 11? Like you don't like live watching?
खत्म हो जाता है. Like I don't have to take stress because evening, so 5 to 7. So 5 to about 6:30 I play with my kids. 6:30 to 7:30 I'm cooking for them. Then it's kid time. Then it's blah blah blah. फिर कोई बोलेगा कि भाई corporate show है Zoom पे वो कर लो. And that's
Makes sense.
honestly paying you way more than super chats. But also
Yeah.
more importantly, I feel that there are only 2 times I can have my brain active. One is in the morning and one is late at night, like some of you guys do. Like उस time पे there's silence all around and you have the time to be in your own head. Otherwise, the rest of the day is just like the 6 p.m. ones, the 4 p.m. ones are the worst. Yeah, it's just you have to like fucking.
I think you just have responsibilities, guys. You're old with responsibilities. It's just that.
Yeah.
Also, I think with the morning thing, relatively more people are available in that slot. If people want
Not
to come.
true. Way more people are lonely and sad at night.
No. But there are a lot of people streaming. If in the evening, if you see everybody streaming from gamers to everything, so as an audience, if I want to watch something in the morning during this time, there's not, So I think
that's
it's good
true.
to have
But
something
this
in
is a
the
very
morning.
nice vibe right now. In early morning, I've never had the stream like this. I'm just chilling. Like
The
it's a good-
reason I've been on Saurabh's stream so many times is also that. Like if
This
I've been
gives you a
streaming
reason
at-
to wake up early.
Yeah, no. So if I'm watching a stream and I think I can be on it, I just text. And then just get on the stream. That's how that's.
Oh, but also the 11 o'clock thing. This is a good point, which is that people are usually free. Like usually people are like, I have engagement in the
Mornings.
evening. So like Harshita
Yeah.
Bhogle is like, morning is fine. Saturday, cool. I'm like, yes, great. So it's easier to coordinate guests oddly enough.
Makes sense. But it's crazy that you managed to turn this into a habit, Saurabh. 100 episodes
100 episodes is
is
crazy,
a lot.
man.
It's
Yeah.
crazy. Like it's become a habit now, right? Now you can't imagine life without this morning recurring thing that you do.
Yeah, so I don't know if this happened to you guys, but what happened with me was that I was like, so I had tied in that I'm going to do 4 times a week. And then there was sometimes where I'm like, I'm just filling in that 4th or the 3rd. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm like, ये करने की जरूरत नहीं थी पर किया. And then once you get done, you just feel like, you feel cheap and cheated by yourself. Like, क्या करने की जरूरत थी ये? So I think what I'm going to do going forward is that I'm going to do a minimum of 2 per week. And then if 2 more things pop in which are good, then I'll do them. Otherwise, I'll
No,
not.
but Saurabh, it's no one will see the darts that's fallen on the
Right.
floor, right? No one will see the 4th dart, so it doesn't matter. Instead, you aim for 5, then you get the 4th one right.
Yeah.
Overclock it.
But again, like
Okay.
Saurabh, it might even take a more toll on you because you always get guests in the morning podcast. You talk to them, you chill with them. For me, like if I have, like even I have those days where I'm like, yaar, ye kyun kiya? I don't want to do something on that day. I don't want to do something crazy. I just stream by myself, playing some chess, go back to sleep, something like that. So it's not less.
Yeah, but do you really
stress.
love your kids, Saurabh?
I'm not sure. I mean, I like super chats, which provide money for them.
Yeah,
and I'm not even joking, dude. It's like fucking like I started the show because I'm like, yeah, lockdown में कहीं तो पैसा कमाना है. Right? So when I did the first 3 episodes, and I was like, okay, I think one of them made like 10,000 rupees, right? So in my head, I'm doing calculations. I'm like, अगर मैं ये daily करूँ, तो महीने का हो गया, right? Like that was my initial logic, and then I think the second month of doing this, I was able to pay my EMI, and I'm like, okay, this is like forget all the creative satisfaction and all the rest. I'm like, at least from a money perspective, it's doing something.
Me and Samay also used to discuss. भाई आज की stream पे इतना बन गया. भाई आज की stream पे इतना बन गया. And now do you still care, Samay?
I mean super chats and all. I'm like it's good, it's great. But the membership, the major money I get, I donated to charity because I have realized that my major source of income is coming through brands. Right, like the more numbers I get on my YouTube, the more brands want to promote my stuff. And super chat, people like giving, that's great. And sometimes there are some crazy guys giving 10,000 at once. It definitely adds up. I can definitely up my gear. I can buy a new mic, buy a setup. But major part is still not super chats, it's still the brands.
Right,
makes sense.
By the way, I got to read a couple of super chats that have come in, just to keep my EMIs running. Lots of people watching, by the way. Please like and share and subscribe, dosto. Raghav Batra, thanks a lot for your Australian paisa. This is for Saurabh Heart. Appreciate it, brother. Sahil Gulati, 4 people who made lockdown awesome, especially Samay. Wow, man. There was no need for that last sentence. You could have just ended it. Rohit Chabria says, it was this is the result of that earlier thing you opened for this comedian and then whatever.
Yeah.
Rohit Chabria says it was in Pune. Samay did a bit when he forgets when he's high at Novotel.
At Novotel in Pune?
हाँ, Pune.
I don't remember this one.
Okay. So basically you remember, but you just want to WhatsApp us the name later. I understand.
You know me.
Pratik Avinash, thanks a lot for your super chat. I missed Tanmay and Nishant's reaction video on Tanmay's channel. Bring it back. Hashtag BoatRB.
It'll be out in 3-4 days. It'll be out.
Harkirat Singh, Tendulkar of comedy, Lata Mangeshkar of streaming, Mr. Tanmay Bhatt. So, just very, yeah.
Just no reason to say that.
Yeah. Rishabh Raj says, nice green screen, Samay. I think, can you do green screen on that, by the way?
Oh, I don't know, man. I'll try.
Oh, that'd be nice. Try.
Let me try.
That's
Abhi
funny.
kar raha hai kya? Achha, let's see. Okay. Oh, there you can.
Yeah. That's my idol Mallika Sherawat playing chess. Don't laugh at that, man. It's okay. The pieces are not placed correctly, but that's a new way of playing chess.
Yeah. Is that a rook in place of the king?
Yes. there are 2 queens. Just look at this one, man.
Dude, but you know she said this, right? When somebody pointed out the 2 queens, the logic was that yes, feminism. Like it was something said this.
No. You know what it was? It was this guy who had written a article about it, sarcastically making fun of it in a way that no, don't make fun of her. 2 queens means more women, and a pawn behind a king means that this. And she retweeted it saying, "Finally, someone gets it." No, they don't.
Dude, Mallika Sherawat.
Pawn behind the king.
Utkarsh says, COB3 award ceremony, love you all. It started with Tanmay, then Samay got me back in chess, and Rider Bhai makes it feel like home. Thank you all. Dude, lots of, what is the nicest thing somebody said to you? I mean, it's like I had a guy who sent me a message saying that my dad was getting treatment for COVID, and I'm also in the hospital with doing the treatment. We're very worried, and one of the things that keeps me going and happy is watching your streams. I mean, that's a really nice thing to say, man. So, what is
Yeah,
what
that
is yours?
happens a lot.
Yeah.
Which is people in hospitals, people sick. You made my day better. I was in a bad mood. I saw your thing, etc., etc., etc. It's all nice, but I think the nicest is that your payment has been transferred, which is honestly nice every time.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's the best.
Are this brand sponsor jokes? Are we overdoing it? Should we move on?
I think we should just. This should be a brand video. 4 of us is discussing a brand and then endorsing 6 brands at the end of it. We realize somehow. Correct.
Was one step away from that when the manager messaged, please don't do free brand.
Yaar, Manu, bill bhej de to Taiwan Excellence for like 100 rupees or something. Samay, you were saying something.
Yeah, I was just saying the same thing regarding many people in, there's so many people who are COVID, fighting COVID, and those guys, when they message saying, I'm here, I don't know what's going to happen, I'm very, anxious, but watching your streams makes me happy. So that's what it really, पता नहीं मेरे को बहुत अच्छा सा लगता है कि it feels very nice, it feels very great, because वैसा वो perspective you don't have, right? You're just streaming. Then someone brings out that perspective, then I feel very, very बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. It's very sweet. So those are the sweetest messages, I think, for now. And then of course the amount transferred.
Yeah, I think people who are already happy and they enjoy our streams are not as important as people who are currently sad and they are enjoying the stream. Right?
Yeah.
That happiness is more valuable.
Yeah.
But that's
It's the graph. Where it's like, I'm here and you brought me here, as opposed to I'm here and you brought me here. Then you're like,
Yeah. If you're healthy, fuck you. I don't need you.
If you're healthy, straight, white, male, fuck off.
No, but it's pretty much the same with live stand-up. Like when you used to do live stand-up, and those people who hit rock bottom and then they're down, and then they come and tell you that I was really this, and then your stand-up this.
This is mostly other comics only, by the way. भाई मेरा बहुत बुरा दिन गया था, आपका सेट देख के अच्छा लगा.
आपका सेट देख के और खराब हो गया. 5 दिन की.
आपका अच्छा सेट देख के मेरा दिन खराब हो गया. But so we get a lot of like these messages, get a lot like you've made the lockdown bearable and all of that. I think every streamer most of guys. पर मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा positive message आया मेरे गाने पे. I released a song. That we have also done that. Yeah, Samay has also done it in this lockdown. We planned to
Yeah,
rap,
yeah.
and we did it finally.
Mm.
So I think I released a song on my dad's birthday about
Mm.
fatherhood and all. उसमें मेरे को I think there is not a single negative comment, and I got so many messages for that. And
Not even one negative comment.
not even one. Not
All right,
Don't
guys,
change
that's your
that.
It's
cue.
not a
That's your
challenge.
cue.
It's not a challenge, guys. I knew it. I knew Tanmay would.
But he phrased it that way, right? There's not even
Yeah.
one.
Not even
guys.
one. And I knew you would go there.
One of the mods, please find the video and we'll also start.
Please spam link.
Let's make a change.
guys, listen to this song and remember you love your dad, and then
Then just the pinned comment will be, we don't love our dad, fuck you, and then it's just that. So,
in that case, come for the live show, guys. After buy a ticket for my live show, and then
Cut
you
to
can-
post show. I didn't love my dad, but your show really made me feel good.
okay, dude. We have a next bunch of people coming. Dude, thanks a lot, Samay, Nishant, Tanmay. This was a lot of fun.
Thank you, friends.
Thanks a lot for coming, guys. And yeah, I mean, it's always a fun time to talk to you, friends. And I love the wall, man. It's such a nice wall, Samay.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this wall and I'm like, I should buy a red version of that. Just copy him.
Bro,
blatantly.
buy my shirt first, guys. It's out on Red Wolf, and then the wall later. All right, thank you.
Please put
Saurabh.
Samay's
friend.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको
Merch
merchandise
link,
link on the chat so people can go buy.
Yeah.
And anything else you guys are doing in life?
Nothing. I'm inviting the Rasodai wala on stream someday.
सोने वाला.
I'm
Yashwant.
doing live shows.
That's what he said, He was having a conversation with Nishan. Like, वो कौन था वो Rasodai?
Rasoda wala.
Who?
अरे यशराज
Saurabh.
निकाले यार.
Oh, hilarious.
वो कौन था?
सोने वाला.
Oh, that's the highlight of the stream. All right, man.
Yeah,
thank you.
dude.
I'm
Chal,
doing
thanks,
live
guys.
shows on
Thanks a lot.
13th.
हाँ बोल Nishan.
Tickets are on Book My Show 13th and 26th. I'm doing shows in Delhi. 13th and 26th. I'm doing some trial shows, some small size, just going on stage. So guys, yeah.
Do it,
Sounds
friends. Thanks a lot, Tanmay. Thanks, Nishan.
Bye,
Thanks, Samay.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Thank you.
Goodbye, all of you. I will just read a couple of super chats and then bring on my next lineup.